Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're so happy you're here. If you love woodworking, creative DIY projects, and unique home decor ideas, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the exciting world of abstract geometric 3D art and home decor, a woodworking project that combines modern design, creativity, and craftsmanship into a stunning wall decoration that can completely transform any living space. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or just beginning your woodworking journey, this project offers endless opportunities to experiment with shapes, textures, depth, and natural wood beauty. Throughout this video, you'll discover how simple wooden pieces can become a breathtaking three-dimensional work of art that adds warmth, elegance, and personality to your home. So grab your favorite woodworking tools, prepare your materials, and let's begin creating a masterpiece that reflects your imagination and skill. Abstract geometric 3D wall art has become one of the most popular trends in modern interior design because it combines clean lines, bold shapes, and eye-catching depth into a timeless decorative feature. Unlike traditional paintings or flat wall decorations, three-dimensional wooden artwork creates shadows, movement, and texture that change throughout the day as natural light enters the room. Every angle offers a slightly different appearance, making the artwork feel alive and constantly evolving. The beauty of abstract design is that there are no strict rules. Instead of trying to represent a specific object or landscape, abstract geometric art allows you to express creativity through triangles, rectangles, hexagons, diamonds, circles, and irregular polygons arranged in harmonious compositions. This freedom makes every project unique, ensuring that no two finished pieces are ever exactly alike. Before starting the project, it's helpful to spend some time gathering inspiration. Modern architecture, mountain landscapes, city skylines, folded paper art, crystal formations, and contemporary sculptures can all inspire interesting geometric patterns. Looking around your own home can also provide ideas about which colors, textures, and shapes will complement your existing decor. Scandinavian interiors often favor light natural wood and simple geometric arrangements, while industrial-style homes pair dark stained wood with bold angular designs. Rustic homes benefit from reclaimed wood featuring knots, grain variations, and weathered textures, creating artwork full of warmth and character. By observing different decorating styles, you can develop a design that perfectly suits your personal taste and living space. The choice of wood plays an important role in the finished appearance of your artwork. Many woodworkers enjoy using pine because it is affordable, lightweight, and easy to cut. Others prefer hardwoods such as oak, walnut, maple, or ash for their beautiful grain patterns and long-lasting durability. Reclaimed wood is another wonderful option because it introduces history and natural imperfections that give every panel unique personality. Mixing several wood species within the same artwork creates striking visual contrast while highlighting the natural colors and textures found in different types of timber. Even leftover scraps from previous woodworking projects can become valuable materials, making this an environmentally friendly and budget-conscious project. Once your wood has been selected, preparing the material carefully will make construction easier and improve the final result. Boards should be straight, clean, and dry before cutting begins. Sanding each piece removes rough edges and prepares the surface for finishing later. Many experienced woodworkers sand progressively through finer grits to achieve a smooth, professional appearance while still preserving the natural grain that makes wood so attractive. Taking extra time during preparation often leads to a much more satisfying finished product because every piece fits together neatly and displays a refined surface. Designing the geometric pattern is one of the most enjoyable stages of the project. Some makers sketch ideas on paper first, while others use computer design software to experiment with layouts before making any cuts. You might begin by drawing a large square or rectangle representing the overall artwork, then divide it into smaller geometric sections using diagonal lines, intersecting angles, and repeating shapes. Some areas can feature large wooden blocks, while others include many smaller pieces, creating balance and visual rhythm across the composition. Leaving slight variations in spacing or introducing unexpected angles prevents the artwork from feeling too repetitive while maintaining harmony throughout the design. Creating the three-dimensional effect involves varying the thickness and height of the wooden pieces. Some blocks remain close to the background panel, while others extend outward using thicker wood or spacer blocks hidden underneath. These different levels generate dramatic shadows that shift naturally with changing light conditions. The greater the variation in depth, the more dynamic and sculptural the artwork becomes. However, maintaining overall balance is important so that no single section overwhelms the composition. Carefully arranging different heights allows the eye to travel smoothly across the artwork while appreciating every detail. Accurate measuring and cutting are essential during construction. Each geometric piece should fit precisely within the planned design. A miter saw, table saw, or track saw can produce clean, consistent cuts with sharp angles that align perfectly during assembly. Slow, careful cutting improves both safety and accuracy, especially when working with numerous small pieces. Labeling each component after cutting helps avoid confusion later when assembling the design. Dry fitting all the pieces before gluing provides an opportunity to adjust spacing, verify alignment, and make small corrections before permanent installation. The background panel serves as the foundation for the entire artwork. High-quality plywood, MDF, or hardwood panels provide strong support while remaining relatively lightweight. Many woodworkers paint or stain the background before attaching the geometric pieces. A dark background emphasizes lighter wood tones, while a light background creates a clean, minimalist appearance. Some artists even wrap the background with fabric or apply textured finishes to increase visual depth behind the wooden shapes. The background should complement, rather than compete with the geometric elements. Attaching the wooden pieces requires patience and attention to detail. High-quality wood glue provides a strong bond for most applications, while small brad nails or pin nails can offer additional holding strength during drying. Beginning from the center of the composition and working outward often helps maintain proper alignment. Constantly checking spacing and angles ensures the finished design remains balanced and symmetrical where intended. Wiping away excess glue immediately prevents visible marks after finishing. Allowing sufficient drying time before handling the artwork reduces the risk of pieces shifting out of position. One of the greatest advantages of abstract geometric wall art is the opportunity to experiment with surface finishes. Some woodworkers leave the wood completely natural, protecting it only with clear matte polyurethane or furniture wax that enhances the grain while preserving its original color. Others apply stains ranging from light oak to deep walnut, creating dramatic contrast between adjacent shapes. Painting selected pieces in black, white, gray, navy blue, forest green, or metallic finishes introduces a contemporary artistic feel while still showcasing the underlying geometric structure. Combining natural wood with painted sections often produces an especially sophisticated result. Texture adds another dimension beyond simple color. Wire brushing softwood highlights annual growth rings, producing rustic tactile surfaces. Chiseling, carving, or lightly burning certain sections creates additional variation that catches light differently from smooth neighboring pieces. Sanding edges more heavily softens transitions between shapes, while leaving crisp corners emphasizes modern precision. The interaction of texture, color, and depth transforms relatively simple geometric forms into captivating sculptural artwork. Lighting dramatically influences the appearance of three-dimensional wall art. Installing the finished piece where natural sunlight changes throughout the day creates constantly shifting shadows that reveal new aspects of the design. Accent lighting positioned above or below the artwork intensifies these shadow effects during evening hours. Warm LED lighting emphasizes the richness of natural wood tones, while cooler lighting creates a sleek contemporary atmosphere. Considering lighting during the planning stage helps maximize the visual impact of the finished project. Scale is another important design consideration. A large statement piece above a sofa, fireplace, dining table, or bed becomes the focal point of an entire room. Smaller geometric artworks grouped together create gallery-style displays full of rhythm and variety. Oversized installations featuring hundreds of individual wooden pieces can cover entire walls, transforming ordinary spaces into dramatic architectural features. Regardless of size, maintaining balanced proportions between individual shapes and the overall composition contributes to a harmonious appearance. This style of artwork adapts beautifully to many decorating themes. Minimalist homes benefit from simple arrangements using subtle color variations and clean geometry. Scandinavian interiors celebrate pale woods, uncluttered compositions, and natural finishes. Industrial spaces pair reclaimed lumber with dark stains and bold angular forms. Farmhouse interiors combine weathered wood with soft, neutral colors for a welcoming atmosphere. Contemporary luxury homes often incorporate exotic hardwoods, metallic accents, and sophisticated geometric patterns that resemble high-end gallery installations. One particularly rewarding aspect of creating abstract geometric art is the opportunity to use leftover wood from previous projects. Small offcuts that might otherwise become waste can be transformed into beautiful decorative elements. Different species, grain directions, and thicknesses naturally introduce variation that enhances the artistic composition. This sustainable approach reduces material waste while encouraging creativity through resourcefulness. Every leftover piece becomes a potential design element rather than discarded scrap. Woodworking also provides personal satisfaction beyond the finished object itself. Designing, measuring, cutting, assembling, sanding, and finishing each component develops valuable craftsmanship skills while encouraging patience and creative problem-solving. Every completed project reflects hours of thoughtful work and attention to detail. Displaying handmade artwork in your own home creates a meaningful connection with your living environment because every piece carries the story of its creation. Handmade decor often becomes a conversation starter when family and friends admire its originality and craftsmanship. Many woodworkers eventually begin creating custom geometric artwork for gifts or small businesses. Personalized designs tailored to specific room sizes, color palettes, or customer preferences offer excellent opportunities for creative entrepreneurship. Hotels, offices, restaurants, coffee shops, and modern homes frequently seek distinctive handcrafted wall art that cannot be found in mass-produced stores. Developing your own recognizable design style through experimentation may open exciting opportunities while allowing you to continue enjoying the creative process. Even after completing your first geometric artwork, every future project presents fresh possibilities. Different wood species, larger dimensions, unusual polygon arrangements, carved surfaces, layered compositions, integrated lighting, and mixed materials continually expand creative potential. Each design teaches new techniques while inspiring fresh ideas for the next masterpiece. Over time, your confidence grows alongside your craftsmanship, allowing increasingly ambitious artistic visions to become reality. Most importantly, remember that abstract art celebrates individuality rather than perfection. Small variations, unexpected grain patterns, natural knots, and subtle asymmetry often enhance the finished piece by giving it authentic handmade character. Instead of worrying about flawless precision, focus on creating a balanced composition that expresses your personal creativity. The combination of natural wood and geometric design produces timeless artwork that remains beautiful for years while reflecting the unique vision of its maker. Thank you so much for watching and spending time in the workshop with us today. We hope this project has inspired you to create your own beautiful abstract geometric 3D wood art and transform ordinary wood into an extraordinary piece of home decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking inspiration, creative DIY ideas, and stunning home decor projects. Leave a comment below and let us know what design, wood species, or finish you would use for your own geometric masterpiece. We'd love to hear your ideas and see your creations. Until next time, stay creative, work safely, keep building with passion, and remember that every piece of wood holds the potential to become something truly amazing. Happy woodworking! And we'll see you in the next video.